So you want to make passive income online. Well, here's the thing. There's no such thing as making money in your sleep overnight. The good news is that slowly but surely with affiliate marketing, if you work hard enough, you can eventually make it happen. So today I'm going to give you my 5-step process for getting started with affiliate marketing and making money online. And the best part is you don't have to buy a $2,000 course to learn how to do this. Let's jump into the video. Hey everybody, this is Roberto Blake helping you create something awesome today. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have another Make Money Online video. Today we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing, and I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step process with 5 specific steps to get you started with affiliate marketing. Now for the new people here, my name is Roberto Blake. I'm a creative entrepreneur, public speaker, I'm the founder of Awesome Creator Academy, and I have actually made a substantial income from affiliate marketing. I've talked about it here very openly on the channel. I've transparently shown you some of my numbers, and one of my best affiliate programs has actually generated me almost $250,000 over the last 4 years. And that affiliate relationship is with TubeBuddy. And so I have been very open about how affiliate marketing works, at least for me, and showing you real world examples of this. And it's something that you can do if you're willing to put in the work up front. I'm gonna walk you through this 5-step process, and it's not gonna take very long to start to grasp this, but I do want to just answer some of your skepticism. The thing is that when you work at a company, you're probably earning that company a lot of money in revenue, probably much more than what you're getting paid in salary. What would it look like if you were getting a 10% cut of all the value that you've generated for the company over the years? That would look very interesting for you in terms of your income, right? What if there were scenarios where you were getting 30% or even 50% of the value that you created since the transaction, since the sale would not have happened without you at all? That would be very different from the experience that you're having right now. So when we talk about affiliate marketing, we're really talking about commission sales, and we're talking about revenue sharing or profit sharing. That's the relationship we're talking about. We're not talking about sketchy multi-level marketing. We're not talking about anything like that that's a scam. We're talking about the simple fact that sometimes we can actually be compensated for the value that we create proportionately. And the reason that I think this will resonate for people more is when you understand that regardless of what a transaction's taken place, if you facilitated it, then you should probably share in the profits. So let's get into step number 1. Step number 1 for affiliate marketing is going to have to do with traffic, and it's really the thing that I know a lot of people have the biggest criticism of. Roberto, I can't do this. I don't have a big YouTube channel. I didn't when I started either. Roberto, I'm not well known. I don't have an audience. You have to start somewhere. You either have to have a website that is a niche site that is targeting search engine traffic, a blog that caters to a very specific community, a podcast that people listen to and is distributed across all the different podcast apps that people enjoy, or a YouTube channel. This is going to be the home for your content and a place to put your affiliate links and to also connect them with an audience. So the thing is, you do need to figure out what platform you're going to use to get traffic. So that's the first part. Now, in terms of building that up from scratch, the good news is that there's over 1,000 videos on this channel, and one of our big focuses is helping you to create content for different things. So whether you want to start a blog or a website, there's content here on the channel to help you. If you want to grow and build an audience on YouTube, we have content around that. And we also have some getting started tutorials around creating a podcast just like I did. So step number 1 is creating that traffic source. Step number 2 is going to be signing up for an affiliate program. The most common ones are Amazon.com, Commission Junction, and Share a Sale. These are larger affiliate networks that have access to a lot of different products and services. The most common one that people will be familiar with is going to be Amazon. And there are a lot of other ones that are very niche specific that are out there. You also have individual websites that offer affiliate programs. My specialty has always been software. Now, I do a lot of tutorial content, and so there are people who ultimately want to use the same software that I'm using to do my work, produce my results, or the things I use to save me time in terms of productivity. So when I create tutorials around that, I end up getting affiliate commissions usually directly from those companies. Amazon is the way that I think most people should go, and it's pretty easy to sign up. Now, you do sometimes have to be able to give them a website or have a certain number of social media followers. I believe at least 500 right now is what you would need for the Amazon influencer program. You need that in some platform, and it makes sense since that's probably going to be a prerequisite to you actually making money and getting people to click in the first place. Other affiliate programs may not have any requirements at all. I've actually made a video on 10 of the best, highest paying affiliate programs that exist. It's a long video, but I get into the details you need to know about each of these and how much they pay. So I'm gonna link that in the info card up here and in the description down below if you wanna watch that video. My suggestion though is that you don't just chase the thing that pays the most. I think you should make your content and your audience revolve around the thing that you are confident to recommend and that you can, truthfully suggest that people use and pay for. Ideally, something you use yourself on a regular basis. Step number 3 is going to be once you are signed up to an affiliate program, you need to start creating and generating your affiliate links. I'm gonna recommend that you use Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel to also keep track of these in a spreadsheet. This is gonna make it really easy and convenient for you to always get access to this links and to share it with people if you want. If you're out and somebody asks you to refer or recommend something, you might even be able to pull it up in your phone, grab this link, and to refer them. With regard to this, by the way, if you happen to use an iPhone and you are using the Amazon affiliate program, there's a great app called Affiliator, and you can use that to generate links on the fly, right here from your phone, and then you can copy and paste them and send them to whoever's asking you for them. I have a lot of people who might direct message me and we'll go back and forth, and they might be trying to figure out what camera they want, so on and so forth. So I'm just able to go into the app, grab a link, and send it to them. If I didn't have Affiliator, or let's say I need a link from one of my other affiliate programs, then I would just go into my Excel document or my Google Sheets document in my phone, grab it out of the cloud, and then I know exactly what link I'm sending them. Another thing that you can do is if you have your own website, then you can also set up short links that refer people to your affiliate programs, whatever they might be. Primary example, for a lot of my background music, I use Epidemic Sound, and I have a link for a 30-day free trial to that. So when I want people to go to that affiliate link, I tell them, go to robertoblake.com/epidemic sound and use my affiliate link and get a 30-day free trial. When they do that, it directly takes them to this very long, very complicated link that I would never be able to remember, that they would never be able to remember, and that I might type in wrong using, my browser or whatever. So it's actually making it very simple to have these short links. This is something you can do if you have a WordPress blog. If you don't have one, then I'm gonna recommend you check out Bluehost with my affiliate link down below, or go to robertoblake.com/Bluehost. And you see what I did right there. That is a primary example of how affiliate marketing works in the real world. When you have a solution that solves someone's problem, you can send them to this link, and as long as you make it convenient and easy for them, people are happy to use it. And if they buy, then you gain value. Or if they sign up for the free trial, you gain value. This is also something people struggle with Amazon. A lot of you say, Roberto, I have not been able to stay in the Amazon affiliate program because I didn't make the required sales in 90 days. Use the free trials that Amazon offers for things like Amazon Prime, Amazon Music, or even Audible. With Audible, if you recommend the Audible to people, they get to keep 2 free audiobooks forever, even if they don't keep the subscription, and you actually get $5 commissions on that. If they decide to buy Audible off of your recommendation, you'd get $10 commission. So the thing is, it's a zero risk to your audience to do free trials, and there still might be paying commission bounties in exchange for that. So just look at when you sign up and you do create your affiliate links, look at some of the rules, look at some of the terms of service, and look at the opportunities. And then also consider something like a blog to generate short links to just refer people so that it's easy and convenient to give them your affiliate link. I told you this was gonna be a step-by-step, and you probably didn't believe me when you clicked on this video. But that's okay, I do understand the skepticism around these videos. I'm okay with it, but I'm just gonna tell you how it actually is and what you need to do. So that fourth thing that you do need to go ahead and set up and put in place is you need to actually start making individual pieces of content that give you a natural opportunity to offer your affiliate link. For me, in the case of doing a lot of things that have to do with software, I do tutorials. Sometimes when it has to do with hardware though, I'll do lists like top 5 list, top 10 list, budget list. This worked really good for me back in the day with laptops on Amazon. And I think back then, laptops, regardless of price, had a top out commission, regardless of their price, at about $25 or $30. I can't remember. And this did really well for me because I had these, extensive laptop buyer's guides, and I would list multiple options for laptops so people were clicking on those links. I do have some videos here on the channel specifically about tips for Amazon affiliate marketing if you're interested. But I'm just using this as an example. So by making buyer's guides for hardware recommendations for camera lenses, laptops, camera bodies, lighting gear, microphones, things like that, I was able to make substantial commissions from Amazon when I was focused on tech content earlier in my career, making as much as $1,500 a month in Amazon commissions, which actually really isn't bad and might be comparable to what some people are making now with their full-time job, just depending on what your job is. But with software as a service, there are often recurring commissions like the ones I received from TubeBuddy. Those of you unfamiliar, TubeBuddy is a tool that a lot of us YouTube content creators use to just help us with productivity and SEO. By recommending this over the last 4 years and actually being a user and being a power user who uses the advanced features, I've been able to refer thousands of people to them. And as a result of that, I get 30% commissions when I started, or was it 20%? It was something like 20 or 30% when I started. They've changed the program now and you start at 30%, then you move to 40%, and then if you become a super affiliate like me, 50%. So in the case of TubeBuddy, I've had a long relationship with them. I've been doing a lot of content that would actually encourage people to get this plugin for their YouTube channel. And as a result, over the last 4 years, I've earned about $250,000 in commissions, and that's my cut of the revenue. And because this is software as a service, it's a subscription. So that means that the money is recurring in nature. So when you're creating your content, something to keep in mind is think about what you're promoting. Think about how to structure the content to where it's a natural fit for you and for the audience. I don't think you should make content just based on how much money you stand to make from doing those videos, but I think you realistically should make it a consideration. I think it should play some role in there, because I'm not naive enough to think that, you're not going to be thinking about that when you make content. I don't think it should be the number one priority, but I do think it's fine if it's a priority because I understand that you have bills to pay. And since I know that's exactly how it is, and I don't think there's anything wrong with that, I'm not gonna sit here and virtue signal to you and pretend that money doesn't matter to you. When you are putting affiliate links in your content, just make sure that you're properly disclosing everything, that you're upfront with your audience. Make sure in your description that you have the appropriate Amazon disclaimer because they really need that, and just make sure you're compliant with the FTC. In the future, I may do a very brief video on affiliate disclosures. I just think that it's something that's very easy for you to Google search. And so I'm not 100% sure if it merits its own video, but I'll probably just do it for reference because some people would rather watch than read. That's just how it is. The fifth and final step is once you have an inventory, a library of content that has your affiliate links in it, you might want to go ahead and just start promoting that content more often. Because like I said, you need traffic for people to eventually buy using those links. So if you're going to create the content, you need to promote the content. So let's go over those 5 steps really quickly before we close out the video. And then I'm going to give you a last and final tip. Step number 1 is to have a traffic source, somewhere where you're making content, whether that's YouTube, a blog, or a podcast, or a niche website. Number 2, sign up for an affiliate program of your choice. Number 3, in your affiliate program of choice, go ahead and create the affiliate links that you're going to post to your content. I also believe in having a spreadsheet that lists these out. Number 4, make content that gives you a natural opportunity to share these affiliate links. Go ahead and put that where it's appropriate and make sure that you're offering your audience something that you can truly recommend honestly. And step number 5, promote your content so that it gets eyeballs on it. Those are your 5 main steps to getting started with affiliate marketing. I have more detailed information here on the channel whenever you need it. My final tip when it comes to affiliate marketing is to do your research and do your homework. Make sure that when you are recommending something that you understand enough about it to where you can follow up with your audience and answer their questions. One of the reasons that people trust me and my affiliate links is they know when I recommend software, it's something I'm using in my business probably every day. When I recommend hardware, when I recommend camera gear, microphones, lighting, anything that I use here on the YouTube channel, people are able to see on a regular basis in my content, in my Instagram post, on Twitter, that I'm always using and experimenting with these pieces of gear, changing things up, and that I know my gear and my hardware intimately, and I can give them advice on what to buy and what fits their needs and their budget. So the more research you do, the more you understand something that you're recommending, the more people are going to trust that relationship and come to you as an authority, whether through your content or through you directly. So just make sure you're really educated about anything that you're going to recommend people buy, because they will probably come back to you with questions. And I think that the better you serve them, the more likely it is that they come back to you again in the future and use your affiliate link before anybody else's. Question of the day: what do you want to know about affiliate marketing and passive income? And if you don't have a question, you can't think of one, tell me something. What do you think about affiliate marketing as a whole? Do you think that it's a way that someone can make a full-time living, or do you think that's just only good for a side hustle? Let me know in the comment section. Like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the other awesome content on the channel. As always, you guys, thanks so very much for watching, and don't forget, go out there and create something awesome today. Take care.